Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel World Fashion and Decoration Tour. Today in this video, I present to you some country chic farmhouse decor inspiration. Let's start the video. Country chic farmhouse decor is a warm, welcoming interior design style that blends rustic farmhouse charm with elegant fantastic elements. It's cozy, feminine, slightly weathered, and full of character, ideal for creating a home that feels both lifted and lovingly crafted. Curators of country chic farmhouse decor, soft, neutral color palette like whites, creams, tubes, and pale grays. Pastel tones like soft rose, sheer green, dusty blue, muted tones that feel calm and timeless. Rustic meets dramatic, distressed old furniture with visible grain, chippy paint finishes, carved lines mixed with farmhouse shapes, ruffled slip-covered chairs with a barn-out table. Vintage accents, repurposed antiques, old window frames, enamelware milk jugs. Use porcelain knobs, lace towels, and vintage mirrors. Prints can share style details like flavored teal lace or soft floral motifs. Use natural elements, reclaimed old beams, oven baskets, jute jugs, linen, cotton, ballad textures, fresh or dried flowers like lavender, baby spray, and wildflowers. Farmhouse foundation, shiplap walls or ceilings, apron front farmhouse sinks, galvanized metal touches, light fixtures, and buckets. Handmade and DIY spread. Crochet or hand-sewn pillow covers use messenger vases, top-painted dressers, or that made with twigs or cotton stems. The mood it creates peaceful and welcoming, like a countryside cottage. Slightly nostalgic, evoking old-world simplicity, a balance of comfort and elegance, perfect for solo living. Deeper look at country chic farmhouse decor, the heart of the style, nostalgic comfort. Country chic farmhouse decor draws its essence from a romanticized view of rural life. Homes are everything has a purpose, a story, and a handmade quality. It blends the simplicity of farmhouse living with the feminine elegance of vintage decor. Think of a cozy farmhouse kitchen with open wooden shelves, lace curtains, and a vase of old flowers. Picture a weathered bedroom with a distressed amore, embroidered pillow, and a quiet passed down through generations. Pictures that tell a story. Pictures play a big emotional role in this style. They soften the rustic and highlights the lived-in feeling. Linen and cotton effect, soft, breathable, vintage comfort. Attitude, Aged beauty and rustic authenticity, lace and crochet, romantic, handmade, and delicate. Galvanized metal, firm utility with industrial charm, wicker and rattan, natural, earthy, casual balance. Signature pieces. Here are some must-have furniture and decor items in country chic farmhouse interiors. A sleep comfort sofas and room chairs in white or beige. Farmhouse tables with mismatched chairs or vintage benches. Iron or distress out bed frames, open shelving, instead of upper cabinets. Vintage hatches or buffets with glass doors. Tad trays on the side and door baskets. Decorating themes and touches, you can layer in subtle seasonal or thematic elements to keep the look feeling fresh and lived in. As floral prints, delicate rose or lavender patterns on pillows or curtains. Form in a spa decor, eggs in baskets, rooster motifs, and buttered charm. Princess box, a stuck sweet twine or lace ribbon, used as risers. Junk food sign with handwritten code, daily menus, or blessings. Candle lanterns, often in white or galvanized metal, giving soft glow. The emotional feel. This style is more than just how a space looks, it is about how it feels. All coming like your grandmother's hug. Solo text, or the love for the little things. Filled with a sense of fairytales, as though each item has a past. Where rustic simplicity meets soft romance, this decor style is a marriage of two spirits. The practical heart of the countryside, rugged out, hard-working furniture, things that last. The tender soul of vintage romance, lace curtains, soft florals, delicate details that whisper of the past. Each celebrates imperfection, tipped paint, mismatched chairs, faded fabrics as sign of love and longevity. The meaning behind the materials, every element in country chic farmhouse decor falls rooted in a story. Elements distress out symbolism, timon, wisdom, heritage, and endurance. Floral fabrics symbolism, femininity, gentleness, natural grace. Oven baskets, simplicity, gathering, and rural routines. Flickering candles, warm tradition, evening coziness. Dried flowers, seasons passing, memory, preservation. crochet and lace, handcrafted love, patience, and nostalgia. Atmosphere and emotion. A home styled in country chic farmhouse is more than pretty, it feels like a century. Quiet mornings with sunlight steaming the shade contains. Handmade braid on a linen covered table. Faded family photos in tipped frames on the wall. A deep sense that time moves slowly here, and that is a blessing. This decor imparts gratitude for the little things: a mug of tea, a handwritten recipe, a wooden chair that rocks with a crack. Details that deepen the charm. Here are subtle but powerful details that deepen the feeling. Wallpaper with faded roses or child patterns. Ironstone pictures used as vases. Use old books with curled pages and linen bookmarks. Use antique mirrors that reflect soft golden light. Open shelf displaying heirloom china or chairs for preserves. Everything is meant to be touched, used, and remembered. The lifestyle is reflects. Country chic farmhouse is more than decoration. It reflects the way of life. Slow days, where you cook from scratch and open the windows. Mindful moments like watering plants or folding linens. Romantic brilliance, finding beauty in the old, the humble, the handmade. It is perfect for those who long for connection to the past, to nature, to loved ones, and to a life with more meaning. Cottage farmhouse decor, a living storybook, a style that feels like home. Cottage farmhouse is not just a decor style, it is a philosophy of comfort, calm, and character. It is the sense of lavender cheering near the window, the crack of floorboards beneath your feet, and the softness of hand-washed linens filtering on a clothesline. This style creates a habit, a space or time slows, where the world outside quiet and where beauty blooms in imperfection. Layered visual language. Each visual element contributes to a layered, soulful mood. Color palette, soft as a whisper. Cream, ivory, and chalked white. Create openness and calm. Blossomings and faded rose add warmth and femininity. Dusty shades, powder blue, soft grey bring nature indoors. East earth tones ground the space with rustic honesty. Furniture time-worn but elegant. Farmhouse table with wooden legs and soft linen runners winter summaries that look like they have held generations of crafts. Sleep covered sofas in cotton or linen, comfy, inviting, and effortless. Textures: touch and feeling mature, linen breathable and light, crochet delicate and handmade, wicker earthy and informal. Chipped enamel, authentic or not flaw. Styling by season, nature meets nostalgia. Cottage Farmhouse Decor dances with the seasons, gently shifting mood and meaning throughout the year. Autumn display pumpkins in wooden crates and plate throws a vintage umber glass. Is wheat stalks or dried hydrangeas in stone art pictures. Winter, layer with chunky knits and cozy textures. Add candles in antique holders, twinkle lights in messengers. Decorate with evergreen garlands, berries, and whitewash decor. Spring, welcome floral fabrics and pastel tones. Display fresh flowers in vintage teacups or enamel jugs. Open windows with shade curtains for sunlight and breeze. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel and support me. Thank you.